Hi everyone, my name is Brian Yi Liu. I'm a chemical engineering PhD student here at Georgia Tech. I'm currently working at the Georgia Tech Manufacturing Institute and as part of the NSF Engineering Research Center for Cell Manufacturing Technologies. My research revolving around building a digital platform for cell therapy manufacturing supply chain. Every 3 minutes, a child is diagnosed with cancer. Cancer is the leading cause of childhood mortality here in the United States. Recently, a new type of treatment has emerged that gives a fighting chance to those children who have given up all hope in their fight with cancer. This type of treatment is called cell immunotherapy. It uses the patient's own immune cells to hunt down and kill cancer. In one of the recent studies has shown one of the products developed by Novartis has shown an 83% remission rate for late-stage leukemia patients who have exhausted all their options. A cure for cancer has not only become possible, but also probable. However, due to the complicated manufacturing process and supply chain for this therapy, it remains out of reach for most of the patients who need it. First, this treatment is extremely expensive. A recent Wall Street article estimated the cost of this therapy can reach up to $1 million. Second, this treatment is inaccessible for a lot of people. It is only accessible in major cities, in a few selected hospitals around the country. Third, this treatment takes too long to manufacture for a lot of late-stage cancer patients. The current manufacturing process can take 3 weeks before the patient can receive their treatment, which is too long for a lot of late-stage patients. We need to find solutions to bridge the gap that prevents this groundbreaking treatment from reaching the people who need it. Finding the solution requires everyone to work together. For my research, I have created a digital platform that can simulate, analyze, design, and optimize the entire manufacturing process and supply chain of the cell therapy. This platform provides an efficient digital ecosystem that can bring the drug companies, hospitals, and the researchers together to find solutions to bring down the manufacturing costs, reduce the manufacturing time, increase accessibility, and ultimately increase the patient benefit for those who are receiving the treatment. I'm using my platform to help drug companies to optimize their manufacturing process to bring down the cost. I'm using my platform to help hospitals to design their logistic network to improve accessibility of the treatment. I'm using my platform to help researchers to identify the most promising technology that can improve the manufacturing process and patient benefit. I hope that one day my platform will become a catalyst that can truly make this treatment accessible and affordable for everybody, so that no parents will ever need to mourn over their lost child because the treatment is out of touch for them. Thank you very much.